Have you ever wondered how an automated external defibrillator, or AED, can save a life? We're going to break down the essential steps of this critical device. Sudden cardiac arrest is a major medical emergency, and quick action with an AED can make all the difference. Let's start with the basics. An AED is a portable, easy-to-use medical device that automatically diagnoses life-threatening heart rhythms and is capable of treating them through defibrillation, which is the application of electricity that stops the arrhythmia. Sudden cardiac arrest, or SCA, occurs when the heart suddenly and unexpectedly stops beating effectively, often due to an electrical problem. Survival rates drop dramatically for every minute defibrillation is delayed. When SCA happens, the heart's electrical activity often becomes chaotic. The only way to reset this rhythm is with an electrical shock, a process called defibrillation. The most common cause of sudden cardiac arrest is ventricular fibrillation, or VF. In VF, the heart's electrical signals are disorganized, causing the ventricles to simply quiver instead of effectively contracting. When the heart is in ventricular fibrillation, it cannot pump blood to the brain and other vital organs, leading to immediate collapse and loss of consciousness. The AED is essentially a miniature computer designed to guide a rescuer through the process of defibrillation. It uses sophisticated technology to analyze the heart rhythm. The first step is always to turn on the AED. Once activated, the device provides clear, step-by-step voice prompts and visual instructions to guide the user. Next, the electrode pads are attached to the patient's bare chest in specific locations, usually following diagrams found right on the pads themselves. These pads serve as sensors and deliver the electrical current. Once the pads are securely placed, the AED automatically begins its work by reading the electrical activity of the heart. The AED analyzes the data received from the pads to determine if the patient's heart rhythm is shockable. During this process, it is vital that no one touches the patient. The AED is specifically programmed to look for rhythms like ventricular fibrillation. If a shockable rhythm is detected, the machine proceeds to charge itself. If a shock is advised, the AED charges to the necessary energy level and instructs the rescuer to deliver the electrical shock. When the AED is ready, it will give a loud warning before prompting the user to press the shock button. This action delivers a controlled electrical current to the heart. Before pressing the shock button, the rescuer must loudly announce "Clear" and ensure no one is touching the patient to prevent injury from the electrical current. The goal of the electrical shock is to momentarily stop the chaotic electrical activity, giving the heart a chance to reset to a normal, effective rhythm. Immediately following a shock, or if no shock was advised, the AED will prompt the rescuer to resume CPR. High-quality CPR is essential to keep blood flowing until the heart recovers. The AED will continue to monitor the patient's heart rhythm and provide prompts for subsequent shocks or continued CPR until professional medical help arrives and takes over. The AED is a vital link in the chain of survival for sudden cardiac arrest. Its automation makes it effective even for untrained bystanders. By analyzing heart rhythms and delivering a life-saving shock when needed, the AED dramatically increases the chance of survival during a cardiac emergency. Know where your nearest AED is.